Extreme Oreo Cake. It's the best name that fits because this is Oreo in every single bite. This is a 2-layer cake that starts with a chocolate cake recipe where I use dark cocoa or Dutch process, and it makes it taste like an Oreo. Now, quick tip, the dark or Dutch process cocoa is what makes this cake have that extreme Oreo flavor. It's what makes it nice and dark looking and that deep flavor that's specific to an Oreo. Specifically like Hershey's special dark cocoa powder. You could use Dutch process if you don't have that. If you don't have either of those, that's fine. Just use regular, natural, unsweetened. The cake will be lighter and not as like Oreo intense, but there's so many Oreo crumbles in there, it's not gonna matter that much.
Mix the dry ingredients: 3 cups of flour, 2 cups of sugar, 1/2 cup of dark cocoa powder, 2 teaspoons of baking soda, a teaspoon of salt all together. And then you're going to whisk in the wet ingredients: 1.5 cups of hot water, 1/2 cup of hot coffee, 3/4 cup of vegetable oil, 2 tablespoons of white vinegar, and a teaspoon of vanilla extract.
I'm so excited to tell you about this frosting. It's a marshmallow frosting. So it's kind of like a buttercream with marshmallow fluff in it. It tastes just like the filling of an Oreo.
The frosting has 1/2 cup of unsalted butter and 1/2 cup of vegetable shortening. This gives that Oreo flavor. Then we'll add in a 7-ounce jar of marshmallow cream or marshmallow fluff, 3 cups of powdered sugar, 1/2 to 1 teaspoon of salt, depending on what kind of butter you're using, and a teaspoon of vanilla extract, along with 1 to 2 tablespoons of heavy cream for desired consistency.
And when we put this cake together, it's going to have 2 layers of deliciousness with that frosting inside, and then we're gonna add more Oreo flavor with chopped up Oreos inside the cake. And you can leave this as a naked cake if you want, or you can frost the outside and make it totally Oreo covered. This is like an Oreo explosion. If you like those cookies, you are gonna absolutely love this cake. Every time I make it, we cannot stop eating it. See how fluffy and like delicious this cake looks? Oh, I can almost taste it just watching the video. You could even use different flavor Oreos in this. Leave me a comment and let me know if you would switch it up at all. If you don't follow me already, be sure to subscribe to my channel and keep watching for even more cake recipes.